أنا مسلم والنور ينبض في دمي، ولسان كل المحرومات لساني. أنا مسلم والشمس تعرف هامتي، والسائرون بدربها إخواني. أنا في سبيل الله قام بكرة، وعلى طريق الله قام أسير.
In this world, you will never truly be happy. No matter what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives you, you will never truly be content.
This place is designed to break your heart. It was designed that way. If you're looking to be happy in the dunya, you're in the wrong place.
How could you feel worthless, my dear brothers? How could you feel worthless, my dear sisters? You're not the servant of Allat or Al-Uzza or Isa or Krishna or Ganesh. You're not the servant of fashion or money or fame or beauty or power or position. You are the slave of Allah. Allah has chosen you from amongst the billions of human beings. Allah chose you and blessed you with Islam.
Pain and suffering only becomes negative if it creates a barrier between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But it becomes positive. Pain becomes positive, a motivation for you when it brings you back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. O my slave, come back to your Lord. O my slave, this is a reminder for you that I want to bring you back to me. Surely we shall test each and every single one of you with a loss of wealth, with a loss of life, with a loss of profit and trade. So give glad tidings to those who are patient. Those, when they are tested, they say, to Allah we belong, and to Him we shall return. Upon those people are the blessings and prayers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And indeed, those are the ones who are truly guided.
So if you have Allah, you have everything you desire. If you don't have Allah, nothing you desire will make you happy. Nothing. It'll all in the end bring you misery. Wallahi. And that's the truth. It's not a lie.